The Alton Backpack Vacuum Cleaner. Lightweight ergonomic backpack design. Lowers fatigue during long cleaning shifts. Quick swap replaceable battery. Easy to change on-site, zero work downtime. Alton supplies a full set of practical accessories. Crevice nozzle for tight gaps and corners. Floor tool delivers great results on carpets and PVC flooring. Soft dust brush safe like cleans. Scratch-prone hard surfaces. Telescopic wand extends your reach for high walls and hard access spots. Ideal for malls, offices and commercial facilities. Your reliable all-in-one commercial cleaning solution from Alton.